Guys, welcome back, welcome back. Just to kind of go through what we already did in part 1 of this tutorial, we created the class main window, which displays, of course, our main window. We gave this window a few attributes, we set the size of it, we also gave it a title, and we added a menu and also updated the status bar. What we're going to do in this part of the tutorial is to add a toolbar, which will the toolbar will take in a few buttons, which will allow you to change to a different section of this online newspaper, if you can call it that. We will make a button for strange news, entertainment, economy, and technology, which then again will be new classes that will inherit from our first superclass, the main window. Without further ado, let's just get to it. The first thing we are going to do is to make a few Unclick methods right here. They will not make too much sense straight away, but we will connect them to the Q push buttons at a later stage and thereby allow the user to enter the other sections. So let's see here. We will start off with Unclick. Strange. I'll actually copy this just to make it a bit faster. It will be super boring to see me punch out all of this. So strange takes the parameter self, and then we will say self.strange. Yeah, I saw that typo. Strange, not strain. Self-strange equals strange, and this will be the name of the strange class, which we'll create in a few minutes. And then we will do self.strange.show, and then we will do an onClick entertainment, which will take the parameter self, and we will say that self and enter equals entertainment, which also will be our entertainment class. And then we'll do self.enter.show, and then we will make the same one for economy. Takes the parameter self, everything is basically the same here. Self.econ equals economy. This again, of course, another class we will create at a later stage. Self.econ.show. And then the last one will be technology. Unclick tech, let's just say that self.tech equals technology. Technology, perfect, there you are. And that is not how you write it, so let's see here. Unresolved reference. Anyway. Self.tech equals technology, which then again will be a new class that we will create, as I said, in a few seconds. So self.tech.show, which will allow us to show the section. Okay, and let's just make the classes now so they are already done. We will have the class strange, and it will inherit, as I said, from our main window. We will take and copy this one. Let's see, here we are. We'll copy this one because we need a new name for the new one. So again, I will not go too much into object-oriented programming. If you don't know about inheritance, maybe you should check that out before you continue. If you know a bit, that's probably enough. And here we'll say strange. So now this class here will inherit everything, but we will change the window title to strange. And then we have the class called entertainment. As you might have guessed, it will inherit from main window, And we will copy in this and we will call it entertainment here. Entertainment, perfect. And one more time. Let's go back there, do this. Class economy. It will also inherit from main window and it will be called economy. Perfect. And then last but not least, we have the technology class. And you might have guessed it, it will inherit from main window and we will change the title to technology. Perfect, perfect, perfect. PyQt5, you need 2 blank lines here. Isn't that just great? Perfect. There we go. And now we have 2 lines just to satisfy PyQt5 here. So let's get started on with our method for creating the toolbar. We will call it def add menus. No, create toolbar. We will call it. Haha. Create toolbar. It is going to take the parameter itself as always, and we will start off with the buttons. We will call it the strange button. It will not be strange at all. It will be, as always, a Q push button. So equals Q push button, and we will call it for strange. Great, great, great. And then we are going to set the status tip, but we can create all the buttons first, I guess. So we will call this enter button equals to Q push button, and we will call it for entertainment. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we'll do the economy button, so we will call it econ button. As you might have guessed, it's going to be a Q push button, and we will call it for economy. That's not a variable, that's a string. Come on, perfect. And then we have the tech button. It will, not surprisingly, be a Q push button as well, and it will be called for, let's just say tech there. Sounds a bit more flashy. We are going to need to update the status line or the set status tip. So strange button dot set status tip, and we are going to say click here for the latest in strange news. News. I'm going to copy that just to make it a bit easier. And then we will do enter button dot set status tip, and we will do get these up here and there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this will be the entertainment. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then we have the econ button dot set status tip, and we will do, as you might have guessed, click here for the latest in economy. Latest in economy news, I guess that's not totally correct, but anyway. Tech button dot set status tip, and we will do in technology. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now to why we have created these methods up here. As I said, these methods will allow us to connect to the other classes, and we will connect the buttons to these methods. So let's go down here and do it. Let's see. Strange button dot clicked. Remove the parentheses. Perfect. Dot connect. And what are we connecting it to? We are connecting it to self, and then on click strange. We will remove those parentheses as well, And then we have the entertainment button, enter button, clicked. There you go. Remove those. Not, there you go. Connect. And we will connect it to, come on. On self. On click. Entertainment. Beautiful. Remove the parentheses again. And we have the econ button, dot, clicked. Remove those, dot, connect. And what are we connecting that to? We are connecting it to self, dot, on click, economy. And then down here we have the last button, which is the tech button. And as you have guessed, clicked. Remove those, connect, and we will connect that to self, dot, on click, technology. So now when we will remove those because this will result in an error and we don't want that. When we now click these buttons, we will get up the new classes and hereby look at the other sections of our online newspaper GUI, if we can call it for that. Now we will have to create the toolbar itself and then place the buttons within the toolbar. So toolbar equals self dot add toolbar, and just blank there because we are going to use the push buttons. So toolbar dot add widget, and then this one, and we are going to copy that times 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. And we will do strange button, we will do enter button, which is entertainment, and we will do econ button, which is economy, and then we will do the tech button, which is technology. And let's see if this will run now. Let's see here. Cross your fingers, everyone. We don't want any errors. This is taking a bit too long, so we will get some error here probably. Or is it just the computer that's acting up? Ah, beautiful. No toolbar though, but we will get there, and I know why we don't have a toolbar. Because we are going to need to declare that in the widgets. Let's see here. Add menus and status self dot add. What did we call it? Create toolbar. Perfect. Now, let's see here. We should go a bit faster. It's not my best computer. It's my travel laptop. See, here you go. We have different buttons here now. And you can see the status tip is working. Let's see what happens if we push here. We get a window with PyNews range. And of course, since we will have to add that down here also. That's what happened when you got a bit too eager. Self create toolbar. Self.create. If you are going to use inheritance, it is nice if everything is done straight away, and so you don't have to add all of this later. Self.create toolbar kinda blows all the point of inheritance away. Self.create toolbar. Now let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take a sip of my energy drink. See here, economy, entertainment, technology, and strange. Let's see if our shortcut for quit works. Perfect. I guess that will be enough for this video. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment. Ask them in the comment section down below. If you like what you are seeing, then give me a thumbs up and consider maybe to subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we will start actually scraping for news and also displaying them within the windows.